Good afternoon, Old Sport. I'm JC with FX Insights. In focus, pound jumpy, Great British Pound, Japanese yen. What we're going to look at is looking at the pound yen, pound jumpy. We've got a price here of 159.46.3. This is a brokerage at Oanda through TradingView. We're looking at the CIS CCT GG Market Vision indicator, which is from the Great Gatsby Pro Trader 2008 Pro Trading methodology. It's a very simple looking cloud indicator in behind the price. It also adjusts all of the candle bars and includes the orange step line, which identifies the CCT core value. At the bottom, you can see the capital performance indicator, which is on the yield curve relative to the underlying and the US dollar value change. What we're going to look at are the offer, the ask price, you can see in the green tab on the right-hand side of the screen, and the bid price on the left-hand side of the right-hand side of the screen at the bottom in the lower section. This CIS CCT GG Market Vision has been obtained through cybercrime. It was stolen. It's in criminal reports dating all the way back to 2019 when it was first published. It had been since 2008 and 9 sort of concealed, was designed for Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade for the Thinkorswim platform in the early portion of 2008 up until about June into the end of 2008, and was finalized during 2008, and then some of the metrics and the indicator algorithms are a part of the CIS trading eventual Thinkorswim toolkit and moves beyond some of the pro trading into capital cycles created by myself at CIS Trading. So what we're looking at with CIS CCT GG Market Vision is we're looking at the offer price and the bid price relative to the indicator, which was obtained through cybercrime at TradingView through hacking my account and stealing the indicator script and the algorithms in the indicator, and used to fix the offer and the bid price relative to the adjustments which CIS CCT GG Market Vision makes in the levels that you see. Currently, they're somewhat compacted, a little bit spread out toward the middle part, but they're somewhat compacted. The price range is fairly low on market depth. And what we're going to look at on this 1 minute chart, you can see the spreads up in the top left-hand corner of pound jumpy chart, 2.7 pips. And we're going to watch those spreads adjust a little bit. That's 2.8 pips. And what we're going to look at, as I've published in a previous video, is not only how the ask and the bid spread out and the spread widens out as the price moves, but how it actually adjusts against the most potential move of the market, the direction the market's moving, to reduce the ability to execute trades for maximum or profitable yield. In some cases, moving the bid against the ability to close your position for profit, or moving the ask against your position to keep you from closing a short with profit. So looking at the indicator, you can see clearly how the offer and the bid price sort of move in fluctuation with the price, as I've published in a previous video. How they've done this is they've stolen this indicator and they've priced the offer and the bid so that it is not actually possible through this particular broker affiliated with TradingView to actually execute a trade on a 1 minute chart without them having the ability to manipulate or move the price adversely to your position so that you cannot close with a profit. And as the market depth begins to increase or decrease, not only do those ask and bid prices fluctuate based on the CIS-CCT-GG Market Vision Indicator and the Pro Action Indicator in TradingView Toolkit, which was also obtained through cybercrime and illegally dispensated to various organizations and companies, but they've adjusted the spreads to take all of your potential yield using the indicator out of your position. There's a way that you can never ever profit. So if we look currently, I'm waiting on some kind of change in market direction here to show you. So currently we have a bid at 48.3. We have a spread at about 2.6, and as the price begins to see more market depth, which is very shallow right now currently, and I do expect for it to pick up somewhat over the course of the next 15 minutes. As that market depth begins to increase, you're going to see how these offer and bid prices have been adjusted based on the Pro Action market depth from TradingView Toolkit and the expansion contraction thresholds in the CIS-CCT-GG Market Vision Indicator using the core value to spread those prices out. We're at about a 3 pip as the price begins to move up on this move, at about a 3 pip spread to a disadvantage, a huge disadvantage on the bid. We're down to a 2.7 pip spread. You can see the offer move outside the range there, widen out to 2.8 pip spread. Still at a huge disadvantage on the bid side. But what you can see is you're looking right now at a 3 pip spread as the market vision indicator sort of widened out there, and now that it narrows, it comes back into about 2.5. What you're seeing is a market depth that is hardly even a pip on average. All right, hardly even a pip, and you have to cover it sometimes up to 3 to 3.5 pips on this pound yen trade. It popped back up to 3 there as the price began to move and the market vision indicator widened out. And as the price begins to move down, you can see how the ask comes in significantly, only a pip off, and you're about a pip and a half off on the bid, to a huge disadvantage on the bid side, where the offer and the bid are sort of programmed in a certain way to make it a disadvantage to be on the correct sell side of this position. Long term, this is not a bullish trade at all. There's a 127, 129 diamond on this pound jumpy trade, taking it significantly down. It's a trade in 2020, in 2021. In my demo fund, was shorted on 3 different occasions from the 150 range down to, or 151, 150 down to the 146, 47 range on 3 different occasions for taking a $13 million demo fund into almost a $230 million account on leverage in that demo fund. Some of those trades are actually posted live. They're on my Facebook page at Quorum Integrated Solutions on Facebook. You'll have to kind of go down a little bit in the history. So you can see the market vision indicator widen down and widen out as the spread pops up to about 2.8 and 3. You're selling about almost a pip and a half below the price, which is depicted on the chart. At times, this pound jumpy trade can get almost all the way out to 5 pips wide when it really starts to move. So if you were to have shorted at 159.50.03, the market on the chart moved from 159.3 all the way down to current price at, let's say, 159.44.7, and you would be able to get out for only about half of that actual price move. And what they've done is price the spreads. We're back up to a 3 pip spread on this. They've actually priced the spreads. We could look at any underlying based on the CIS CCT GG market vision and the TradingView toolkit CIS GG Pro Action market depth, so that there's a huge significant portion of the yield that you're going to lose. And in most cases, it's right around about 50%. Some cases it's a little less, sometimes it's a little bit more. You could lose up to 60% of the total move of the market. But you're losing half, 50% of the range of the price move in the spread. And all of these were fixed and changed after March of 2020. If you were trading prior to March of 2020, this particular broker through TradingView changed all of those spreads after March of 2020. This is filed with the United States Justice Department, the Federal Reserve, the SEC, the CFTC, the Department of State, and the U.S. Treasury Department. Oanda has been notified, TradingView has been notified, and a number of other organizations, corporations, and individuals totaling 119 different people have been notified in the United States government alone, and in the companies and individuals that are directly involved in the cybercrime, which not only stole these algorithms, but were used to fix market prices and to manipulate market direction. Once again, I'm JC with FX Insights at CIS Trading. You can go to YouTube and just search CIS Trading, all one word, user/CIS Trading at YouTube. You can go to Facebook, Quorum Integrated Solutions. And you can also check out my website, which goes over some of the details regarding the Thinkorswim Toolkit from 2011, which is a 31-component 5-series capital management system at cisevents.wordpress.com. Have a great day, Old Sport.